everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're glad you all are watching today. If you're looking for an alternative to a traditional burger, come along with us as we make these delicious veggie burgers. They're not only delicious, but they're easy to make. We're gonna go over our ingredients in just a second, but before we do, we're gonna ask you all if you can like this video, share it, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. All right then guys, let's go ahead and talk about all of our ingredients. Alright y'all, so let's find out what's going into our burgers. Alright, so to start, we have a half of a red onion that we've cut into wedges. We have some barbecue sauce, panko breadcrumbs. We also have a half of a green pepper. We have some ground flax seeds, and we're going to be using 3 garlic cloves. We also have some avocado oil, some sriracha, some W sauce as we call it. And we have some parsnips, and those are going to be our fries today. Don't knock them till you try them, they're delicious. And we have some black beans, as well as a variety of seasonings that we're going to use, and we'll talk about those a little bit later in our video. All right, that about covers it. You know we always list our ingredients below the video and the description with their exact measurements. All right, y'all, let's get cooking. All right, y'all, so first we are going to work on our binder. We have our ground flax seeds here, and we're going to add to it 2 tablespoons of water. And we're going to add the water and just mix it up and let it sit for about 10 minutes while we work on our other ingredients. And this is what they call flax egg. And so, yeah, we're going to do that now, and then we'll work on our other ingredients. Alright y'all, so we're going to go ahead and add everything to our food processor. This is a very easy recipe. We're just going to dump everything in there and get it all mixed up.
So while she's doing that, I'm going to talk to you guys about the recipe for a little bit. This is not our recipe. This is by Make It Dairy Free. They're on YouTube. They also have a website, and their recipe is vegan, and those are the changes that we're making. We're not making ours vegan. They used homemade barbecue sauce and vegan W sauce. So those are the couple changes. So we'll have their video linked in the description along with the recipe.
Okay, so now this is blended just the way we want it, and we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes. And this is where you want to taste it to make sure it's seasoned the way you like it. And we love the way it's seasoned. It's just right. So we'll give it 5 minutes, and then we'll be right back.
Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and put our burgers in our pan. We have about a tablespoon of avocado oil in here. And my mom's over here to the side caramelizing some onions, so that's the sizzling you hear right now.
Yes.
But you're going to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Okay guys, so it's been 2 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. Alright, so our burgers have cooked for the last 2 or 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and turn the heat off and put our cheese on and then cover them just until the cheese melted, and then they'll be done.
Look at those. They look like big burgers.
They do. I was pleasantly surprised when I flipped them over.
I'm impressed. And they taste amazing.
Yeah, that's the good thing about them being, bean burgers. You can taste them.
Everything. You can taste all the ingredients. Alright y'all, so here are the toppings that we're using for our burgers. Of course, you can use whatever toppings and sides you'd like with your burgers.
Yeah, my dad wanted regular fries with his burger, but we had parsnips, which were still in the oven.
Parsnips are good, y'all.
Yeah, they're very good. We actually got that idea from a HelloFresh recipe that we had years ago.
So glad we paired it with these. Really good.
So here we are building my dad's burger. But one other thing that I did want to mention, the cheese we used also was non-vegan as well. So if you want to make it completely vegan, like Make It Dairy Free does, you can use sliced vegan cheese or just follow their recipe exact and it'll be vegan as well.
Yes. And also, if you want your burger to have more of a bite, we mentioned it before, make sure you blend it less than we did so your pieces will be bigger.
Yeah. But
we wanted it more of this consistency, so it was perfect.
It was.
Oh, so good. I was so surprised.
Yeah.
All right, Make It Dairy Free. So good, y'all. Hope y'all try these. Let us know if y'all do.
Yeah.
Oh, you can also toast your bun if you like. And as you saw my husband use mustard on his burger, we use mayo on ours, and we topped them all with guacamole, which was a great choice. We like to bring some balance to the channel. We like to bring you healthier recipes as well as those treats.
So, but yeah, that's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Make sure you guys tune in next week because it's our fall series.
Yay!
So excited.
We love fall.
So make sure your post notification bell is on and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys next week.
See y'all next week. God bless.
Bye.
Bye-bye.